I am the mover of the resolution. We have heard a very spirited defense by Mr. Cabral of the three linear projects of the indefensible. It is a spirited defense of the indefensible. Speaker sir, he started by saying that these issues and the work of double tracking is going on in his constituency for 3 years. Going on in Honorable PWD Minister's constituency for 3 years. And people have no issues there. And दिशा भूल करपाची एक षडयंत्र चलता. Exactly quoting your words. Speaker sir, I don't know whether the House has forgotten that after I spoke, there was a very emotional speech by one person who is remaining absent today. Conveniently absent, who doesn't belong to our side. She is of the BJP. She is also complaining more vehemently than us about issues in her constituency. And she spoke this out. It is the property of the House, whatever she spoke. Who has redressed her grievance? Her grievance which is felt not only by her, but by other people on the neighboring constituencies. This is one issue. Number one. Speaker sir, second thing is, he kept saying that we are also concerned about environment. Speaker sir, as the environment minister, he has to be concerned about environment more than all of us. Because that's his job. It is not a favor that he is doing on us. That we are also concerned about environment. Mala kide? Tujhe kaam mar de. Environment is your...
Come to the point.
Because sir, I am coming to the point. And these are all points.
No, don't elaborate with all the fancies.
You did not tell
You
me
just
this.
point out.
Don't disturb, 1 minute.
No, just point out.
No, I know it is getting late. That is why we used to always ask the Chief Minister, have a bigger session. Because these issues have to be discussed. Suddenly he made a passing comment that 15 million tons per year is going to be the notification येवपाचें आहा आनी ताजेर 15 million टन्साचेर कॅपिंग जातलें. स्पीकर सर, कॅप आज आहा 12 म्हणून आमकां कळटा. हांव कांय एक्सपर्ट न्ही रे कोलान. बट फ्रॉम द रिकॉर्ड्स आज 12 चलता. 11, 12, 15 खंयच्यान हाडले तुमी? I was hearing.
I corrected myself.
I never disturbed you.
I corrected myself. Don't hop on.
Because sir, I have heard that the Chief Minister has said he's going to do it half. Now, if the half of 12 is 15, then my maths I have to start learning again.
Good words.
Speaker sir, third thing.
Fourth.
Biodiversity hotspot has its own species. His constant refrain was, त्यांना ती ट्रेन येतना थंय नाशिल्ल्या काय म्हणून. अरे, UNESCO is saying that it is having those species. We are not saying. UNESCO is saying it's a world biodiversity hotspot. So if we are concerned about species in a biodiversity hotspot, are we doing a crime? And it's not only we. It's the whole people of Goa who are thinking the same thing. So don't make us feel like criminals or anti-nationals because we are against development. No, we are also for development. But we are trying to say, find a way out, an alternate way. Alternative. Speaker sir, fourth thing. He said that negativity becomes popular. He made this specific word, saying that negativity these days becomes popular. Why does negativity become popular? Because you have not disabused. Disabused means clarified in time. You have kept on changing the goalpost. You first said that it is in interest of power. Now the Chief Minister's last statement was it was strategic purpose. म्हळ्यार defense आयली. अरे, so आता defense म्हणून हाडून कितें ते घुसपायतात आमकां? These projects were meant, one for power, two for roads to have better accessibility. Mr. PWD Minister has said that 2 lanes जाताले, आमी जीव आमचो हातान घेवन वताले. So it was about accessibility to Karnataka. And now you all are saying that trains have to move fast. अरे, हांव गोंयकार. कित्याक जाय त्यो फास्ट? कितल्यो ट्रेनी त्यो? 6 ट्रेनी मरे. एक लोकल, 5 दुसऱ्यो. कित्याक येवंक जाय ते फास्ट? यो मरे स्लो सुशेगाद. कितें जातलें? कोण मरता? ट्रेन जर स्लो आयली, कोणाक कितें जाता म्हाका कांय समजना. कित्याक फास्ट धांवता तुमी? गोंया स्लो मरे आमी. आय एम द प्रोपोनंट ऑफ सेइंग दनपारां जेवन न्हिदपाचें म्हणून सुशेगाद. कितें जावपाचें? इट विल कीप यू हेल्दी. Why are you running? Where are you running? What is the big deal of running? You take a plane, man. If you can afford, come go from Karnataka by plane. Why you're coming by train? इतल्या वर्सान लोक येताले स्लो यो सुशेगाद कितें जालां हें इतलें म्हणल्यार आपूस कित्याक स्पिकर सर फुडें हें जें सगळें उलयता रिन्युएबल एनर्जीन जो ताणें हें घेतला मेजर्स घेतल्या आय ऑल्सो आय मे बी वन ऑफ द 128 पीपल ही मेन्शन आय अवेल्ड द बेनिफीट ऑफ इट ही गेव अ बिग स्पीच हॅज द असेंब्ली टेकन बेनिफीट ऑफ इट कसलीं भाशणां दिता आमी हांगा असेंब्लीन रावन पयलीं विचार मरे स्पिकराक ना लेजिस्लेटीव अफेर्स मिनिस्टराक लायल्या वयर सोलर लोकांक शापाता सांगची पयलीं आमी पयलीं प्रॅक्टीस वॉट यू प्रीच मागीर लोकांक सांगा तुमी आमीच पयलीं आमी सोलर लावंक ना आनी जगाक सांगतात आमी खबऱ्यो तुमी हें घेनात तुमी तें घेनात झाडां तुमी रोयनात अरे गव्हर्मेंटाचें काम झाडां रोवपाचीं गव्हर्मेंटाचें काम झाडां राखपाचीं कोंय राखपाचें काम गव्हर्मेंटाचें पयलें बाउंडन ड्युटी ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट इज टू प्रोटेक्ट नेचर protect the state, protect the trees. That is your job. You are not brought here to transport coal. Luisin Falero did not say it is a hub. It is becoming a corridor. We are not saying hub, you are bringing coal and keeping here. No. We are saying it is being a corridor. You don't make Goa into a corridor. Keep the road small, no problem. People come here for tourism. They don't come here to go fast. Don't go fast, go slow. Nothing happens. He has traveled around the world. He has gone to Santorini, Mykonos, in Greece, everywhere. Where are the roads there? In Italy, the top places of the world. Most picturesque places. You don't have wide roads. If you want to come, follow their rules. If you want to come, be part of their culture. Don't assert on them just because somebody from Delhi tells you, कि चलो चला उधर से. अरे तू म्हाका आमकां सांगता आतां एकोमान एक हें केलें कितें तें कन्सल्टंटान एक रिपोर्ट दिलो आनी सगळे लोक आबूज जाले अरे कन्सल्टंटाच्या रिपोर्टाचेर आमी आबूज जावप ना जाल्यार कित्याचेर आबूज जावप सपनां पडपाचीं आमकां कोळसो कितें म्हणटा आमी एक्सपर्ट कोळशान वी आर इन दीस बिजनस ऑफ स्टिवडोरींग ऑर वी आर इन द बिजनस ऑफ लॉजिस्टिक्स नो वी आर लेजिस्लेटर्स वी आर द पल्स ऑफ द पीपल आर एंशियस वी आर एंशियस आमी कितें हांगा ओके 10 वरांचेर तुजे मोठ्यान उलोवन आमकां कितें हें ना तातूंत तूं जे भशेन उलयता तूं मातशी कुयदाद घे म्हाकाय लोक सांगतात तुवें उलयतना कुयदाद घे म्हण हांव तुका सांगता जाय तूं आमकां सुशेगाद घे देश म्हणून चड फुडें वच नाका कुयदाद घे वी आर कन्सर्न अबाउट हीम बट मोर कन्सर्न अबाउट दोज ट्रीज ऑल्सो वी आर नॉट सॅटिस्फायड विथ हिज आन्सर
Okay.